Hey guys, welcome back. Want to share a small video with you today. We're going to have a set of wheels completely repaired and refinished. They're a set of 17x8 Kosei K1-TS. They're going on one of my really good friends. He has a 2013 Civic Si. I think the fitment's going to be great. We took some before video of it. I'm going to show you shortly, and we're going to show you the process of them before and after and how they look on his car. These 5x114, they're 17x8 and they have a plus 28 offset. It's a rare sizing as they don't sell them in that size anymore. You can look up on Tire Rack. They sell them in the 17x7 with like a plus 42 offset, which isn't quite as aggressive as these. These have a little bit of damage. You got some curbing right here and then also on this wheel. We're gonna take them and get them dismounted today. Take them to the wheel repair shop. They're gonna repair them and powder coat them. Just wanted to get some before and after of them. This is a quick look at them. These two are the only two that have damage. The other two are perfect. They're just, they have some, they're painted bronze, but then they also have some Plastidip, like white Plastidip on them as well. But those two are in great shape. Got the 17x8 stamp and the offset with the 28 right next to it. Here's a little picture of that damage. This one's pretty rough. They have the Kosei Racing stamping, the made in Japan. That Kosei Racing's on both sides. This also has the dual valve stems. What I'm going to do so we can track the damage and see how well they fix them, I'm going to use my little center punch and put, for the first wheel that's damaged, we're going to do it right over where the 17x8 is, so I remember. This is wheel number 1. This is the one that has the longer amount of damage. For wheel number 2, we're going to put 2 little marks. And I'm going to do the third one and the fourth one also.
That's an elegant color. And then silver is elegant. What do you think, John?
What's that?
Silver, because that's an elegant color.
I think silver will look really, really nice.
That's what I'm thinking too.
I'm not gonna lie, dude, these look fucking perfect on your car, man.
It's fucking perfect.
Like no spacers, no nothing.
What offset are these?
They're plus 28.
It's perfect.
17x8 plus
You got a
28. So
fucking
you brought it
perfect
out,
set.
even though it went wider, you brought it out as compared to your 40s. Your 40s
Watch,
are
come
sticking
stand
it
over
so
here.
far.
Stand right here and then go to that side. You can see the. You'll see right
I
away.
like how you can see tire like. Oh yeah, right here you can see it.
See it? Oh, you did good on that. And a Kosei. You want a beer?
Yeah, I'll take a beer.
You want another one?
I still got my other one. I'll finish it right now in a moment. So what do you think?
I love them. They
Good.
look badass.
I agree.
I think silver is the color.
You did good on that one. Oh,
Thank you.
you got strip them anyway. You don't have silver, John?
I have some silver paint.
Let's do one wheel. He's gonna strip them anyway.
Right?
Just do this back one.
I'll Photoshop them for you.
Alright.
Because you're gonna take off the tire and go get the powder coated.
Yeah.
You know, they're gonna strip them for you no matter what.
How much did that guy charge you, John, for your powder coating?
$200. They're 17, so you might be looking at 300. Unfortunately, wheel number 4, it has this crack right here also in bend. So I wanted to document that so we can get that one fixed also. Wheel number 3 is the cleanest, no damage on it at all. This is wheel number 1, and it's the damaged area. Just for reference, it is directly across from the Kosei. and it is right next to the Made in Japan, to the right of it if you're looking at it upside down. The wheel number 2 damage is opposite of the Made in Japan. And the damaged area from the 3rd wheel is going to be to the left of the Made in Japan upside down. Here's a look at the Koseis, completely refinished and repowder coated. They've all been repaired and they've all been balanced correctly within spec. Powder coated them in a gloss white. They look really, really shiny, really, really superb job. This is wheel number 1. This one, if you look where the decal was, the SF decal, you can no longer, let me get on this side. You can no longer see where the lips was missing the metal. It's now filled in and completely refinished. Wheel number 2 was right here on this part. Across from the Made in Japan stamp. All of that has been filled in. Wheel number 3, which is the obvious one. You can see it right here. They had to weld, grind down, and finish. Jaime's gonna mount them on some Federal 595 RSRRs. It's going with a 235, 45, 17. This is the same size tire that was in the earlier part of the video when we first test fit them on his car, just to check the fitment. These Koseis, for being a 17 by 8, they only weigh a little bit more than 16 pounds. I think it's a really good weight for the size of this particular wheel. And the Federal tires weigh about 25 pounds, a little more than 25 pounds. And if you're interested in where we had them repaired, we spoke to this gentleman, Rafael Hernandez, who works for Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists here in El Paso, Texas. Here's a last look. Let's see how they look on his car. Hopefully he's super excited with them. He hasn't seen the wheels in person yet, but I think he'll really like the finish and quality that came out.